And it's the last day of January, and I haven't posted long form content on my channel all month. Crazy, right? It's been a crazy January. And can you believe it's over? It's January 31st. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So half of y'all know that I do substitute. In the last 3 weeks, I have been in kindergarten, and they have been tearing me up. Kindergarten has been really bad. So I'm a substitute, but listen, them kindergartners was a lot. It's a lot of redirecting, a lot of talking, a lot of Miss Crystal, she did this, I didn't do that. It was a lot, okay? And this is the first video. I got my twins in here. Say hello to the people. Hi. That's Eminem. For those of y'all that don't know, Eminem, ask about him, check on him. I do apologize that I haven't made any content, but it's coming, y'all. I'm getting better. I'm going to be consistent. I am going to be consistent. And I'm saying that out loud to hold myself accountable, but I am. I'm going to be consistent. I hope that you guys are doing well. I hope that you guys are crushing your New Year's resolutions and your goals. If you're thinking about digital marketing, listen, click the link in my bio. I got everything you need. I will be posting a new community that I am starting. It will be launching at the end of next month. Pre-registration is in 2 weeks, and you do get a discount for pre-registration. So this community will be an e-course on StanStore. And this is for actors, freelancers, entrepreneurs to learn how to make money in the background in between gigs, so that we're not just sitting around waiting for the next gig. We need to level up and package ourselves like a business, because that's what we are. You know, clean up our social medias, because the bag is here. I want people to start their YouTubes, clean up their Instagram bios. I teach you all of that, like, and so much more. There's an affiliate link to the program. There's lots of benefits if you join the community, whether you take the course or not. You can still get your own personalized affiliate link and share and earn some money. Earn $50 every time you share. But yeah, I just wanted to come and apologize, and I will start posting consistently, guys. I also just removed some pictures off my phone. I got that adapter, honey. Put them pictures on a USB. Your girl got room. Your girl got room on a phone to make videos in 4K. This one is not in 4K, but I will be doing it in 4K. Okay. So it's a Friday night. It's rainy. I done went grocery shopping. I'm about to make me some spaghetti, and I got me some red wine to go with the spaghetti, because you know that's a good pairing. If you don't know about wine pairing, red wine is really good with red meats and foods with pasta sauce and things like that. So we about to go in and chill, ain't we, twins? We about to go in and chill.
I'm finna change to my pajamas, take a shower.
Okay. And chill and be comfortable. Okay. Do y'all have any positive words y'all want to say to them? Have a good weekend. Like,
have a good weekend.
Oh, and what comes out today? What we going to see tomorrow?
Oh, Dog Man.
Dog Man.
I'm supposed to see it today, but Mom has some stuff to do.
I mean, you know, I gotta cook. I'm just trying to chill. So we're gonna see that tomorrow.
So, you know, best parent gotta do what the best parent gotta
do. Thank you, Malik. That is so nice. You're so sweet. Okay, y'all got any words for the people? Any words for the people?
Stick with God. Yeah, stick with God.
Stick with God, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed. Okay. Pray it up. Stay prayed up.
Make sure to pray about whatever you're struggling with.
Ooh, I like that, Malaysia. Yes.
And if something goes bad, tell God. Give it to him. He'll take care of it.
Ooh,
he'll answer your prayers.
Y'all preaching today. Okay. I didn't know y'all was going to give out those type of words. Y'all better listen to the twins, okay? That's just a reflection on me. I think I'm doing an all right job, because, you know, parenting is hard, okay?
All right.
Parenting is
Mom,
hard.
Did I just see all right? You're doing great.
Oh. Thank you, Malaysia. That's so sweet. All right, YouTube family, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I will see y'all maybe Sunday. I'm gonna do a video. Okay, so look out for the new community coming. It's called Booked and Paid. Booked and Paid, because we want to stay booked and busy, booked and paid, however you want to call it. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, because the world is crazy right now, with the stuff going on. Listen, we don't know what's coming, what's going to happen in the next few weeks. So y'all better start making the money how you can. Learn while you earn, and teach other people how to change their lives too while you doing it. It's like the best thing. It's the best thing ever. If y'all don't know about Stan Store, like Stan Store is such a blessing. You could do so much on Stan Store. Maybe I'll make a video about Stan Store. But click the Stan Store link in my bio if you want a free starter kit on what digital marketing is, and how you can get started, because I do highly recommend. Okay, I will see you guys later this weekend. I hope that you guys have a good weekend, and I think the sun will be shining tomorrow, so, and it'll be a little bit warmer. Let's get it. I know y'all gonna be acting a fool outside with y'all shorts and y'all t-shirt on just because it's got a little bit of sun, a little bit of warmth. Y'all be going crazy. Okay. Oh, y'all, it's starting to rain harder. We gotta go inside. No. All right. Huh? Oh, well, we gotta go because it's starting to rain a little bit harder. So we about to go inside. Y'all say bye.
Bye.
Toodles. See family. Love y'all. Be great. Make it great. Be great.